Hello there, welcome back to our channel. Today we will go on a magical journey to the happiest place on earth, Disneyland. From the moment you walk through those famous gates, you'll be transported to a world filled with magic and wonder. Now let's start our Disneyland experience by exploring the park's attractions. From classic favorites to thrilling new adventures, Disneyland has it all. Whether you're taking a voyage with Jack Sparrow and the Pirates of the Caribbean, or enjoying an afternoon parade, there's something for everyone. But Disneyland is more than just rides. Take a stroll down Main Street, U.S.A. and feel like you've stepped back in time to charming small-town America. Don't forget to keep an eye out for Disney characters wandering around, ready to take pictures and create magical moments. And speaking of magical moments, let's talk about the legendary parades. It's a world where Disney characters come to life. Now, as we navigate through the vastness of Disneyland, we're drawn into uncharted territory where the force is strong and adventure awaits. We're about to enter Galaxy's Edge, a land where Star Wars comes alive. As we step into Galaxy's Edge, we're immediately transported to the outer reaches of the Star Wars universe. From the bustling Black Spire Outpost to the magnificent Millennium Falcon. Every inch of the Galaxy's Edge will ignite your imagination. We'll enjoy a drink at Oga's Cantina and even encounter legendary Star Wars characters roaming the streets. And of course, we'll take you on an epic journey aboard the Millennium Falcon. But our adventure doesn't end there. Just beyond the towering spires, an unparalleled experience awaits. We're about to join the Resistance and face the might of the First Order in Star Wars: Rise of the Resistance, the most ambitious attraction ever created for Disneyland. Brace yourselves for an epic battle as we join forces with Rey and BB-8 to escape Kylo Ren. This attraction combines state-of-the-art technology with fun-loving storytelling to deliver us an experience we won't soon forget. So there you have it. We've explored the streets of Disneyland and taken an unforgettable journey through Galaxy's Edge. Remember, the magic is waiting for you, so grab your mouse ears and set forth on your very own Disneyland adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more. And as always, may the Force be with you.